So, Father's Day is coming up, and because of that, I decided to do a DIY for my daddy. I have all my things prepared. Everything you would need for a DIY. I have scissors, tape, glue. I got some cardboard, some papers, lots of markers. I have dollar bills, you're gonna see why. Sparkling water, because, I mean, what more do you need for a DIY? So I looked through Pinterest, and literally every single Father's Day DIY that there is in Pinterest is either tie themed for some reason, and mustaches. I don't really know why. My dad doesn't have a mustache, and well, my dad wears a tie every day, but I don't know. I just feel like not every dad wears a tie every day, unless their job requires them to. My dad wears a tie every day, but his job doesn't require him to. Maybe all dads wear ties every single day. Maybe that's a thing that I don't know about because I'm not a dad. I'm gonna do 3 DIYs for my daddy. The first one is that like origami thing that you can make with a bill, that you make like a little shirt with a tie, which I think is the cutest thing ever. And I just have to make it. So we're gonna do this. Let's start. What? We're doing well. Paper plane fold. I don't know how to make a paper plane. Father's Day where I live is not this Saturday, Sunday. Yeah, the 17th, where like most of the world it's gonna be celebrated. Father's Day is next Sunday for me because, so the 25th, the 24th, because elections are the 17th here where I live. And the government, because they can literally do anything and they control us, decided to just change it up. No one questions the government, so apparently they can just do that and change the dates of like national holidays, but no one gives a shit. No one cares. No one pays attention to it but me. I think it's fishy. Okay, things started to get complicated. This part can be tricky the first time you try, so don't get discouraged if it takes you a little longer than the previous steps. I've used red to outline the folds you'll be making. There's no red in this. Huh? I'm sorry if I'm not talking. This requires a lot of concentration. I think I did it. That looks okay. What was I saying? Oh, the government. Yeah, they're gonna kill us all soon. Trust me. Or they're gonna kill me soon because I know their secrets. I forgot to introduce myself yet again. Hi, my name is Kat. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for being here. There we go. That's what I needed. Oh, it looks like a little tie. That's actually kind of cute. I don't know if you can see that. I've always found the concept of making pictures or making things for your dad on Father's Day so strange. Because for Mother's Day, I always made little flower bouquets and little cards that were like flower themed and had little bees in them and, you know, just really cute, dainty stuff. And then for my dad, I always made like ties and hammers and mustaches and manly things. Like it got to the point where in kindergarten, like when I was 4 years old, my teachers asked my mom to send them money so that I could buy a drill for my dad. A drill. For my mom, I always made a little ceramic plate that I decorated myself, and for my dad, I just bought him something. I didn't really make it. So gender roles, am I right? It's 2018. We need to stop. I'm not really helping gender roles because I'm making a tie themed thing for my father. My dad is a champ. I love my dad. He is great. He's like my best friend. I know a lot of people say that, but it's true, I promise. If Dad, you're watching this, first of all, thank you for supporting my YouTube career. That's so nice of you. I love you. And number 2, thank you for dealing with me, my angsty teenager years that I probably still haven't gotten over. I was emo as fuck. I kind of did it. It doesn't look as good as in the picture, but... So this is what it looks like. I don't understand how to get the color thing to work. I don't know. I think I kind of did it. Okay, so DIY number 1, kind of check. Not really, but Kind of. DIY number 2 is something that's gonna make my dad feel super, super cool. And is gonna make me feel super cool too because I made them. Now these are called typography glasses. And they're these glasses that you make that say dad. And the lenses are the 2 Ds. So we're gonna make it for my daddy. Now there's a printable for these, but I was like, nah, I'm too good for that. So I'm gonna draw them. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. This is gonna take a while. I wouldn't consider myself the most artistically inclined person. These are also in black. I only have white cardboard. At least I have cardboard, okay? I'm not a DIY genius. I don't have these things laying around. We're still gonna try to make these. This is so hard. I don't understand why I chose to do this. Actually, yes, I understand. It's to thank my daddy for everything he does for me. Thank you, daddy. DIYers should really provide more instructions. I'm so confused as to how I'm gonna make all of these things. DIYers, do something about it, honestly. Okay, one of the D's is done. I guess it looks okay. Yeah. I feel like I can only talk about papis, daddies in this video because, you know, it's a video dedicated for fathers because it's Father's Day. It's a day dedicated only to them. So I can't talk about anything else, can I? I'm gonna do it anyway. My 18th birthday was last week. It was great. I got drunk with my friends. Don't tell my daddy. And I can now legally drink where I live because I'm not in America. And I can go into like nightclubs and stuff. Well, I don't feel like an adult, but now I am. And that kind of scares me. When I was 12 or 13, I just thought that when I was gonna turn 18, I was gonna be big. But I'm not. I still feel like a little kid and I cannot believe I have the responsibility to like vote now. 18 is such a young age to have so many responsibilities. And I'm probably just saying that and everyone who's older than 18 is like, you don't have any responsibilities, what the hell? I do. I feel like I do. I do. I really do feel like I have to. Do. Daddy, I think I am absolutely acing this DIY. This is looking great. I wasn't good at geometry. I'm so sorry. Actually, I was really good at geometry. And here, I'm gonna rant. You don't care about this, and daddies don't care about this, but I'm still gonna say it. In my school, or my old school, you could exempt the final exam if you had a grade higher than a 3.7 out of 4 in the class. When I was in 9th grade, because you take geometry in 9th grade, I had a 3.8 in geometry. So I went up to my teacher, and I tell her that I had a 3.8, and if I could exempt the exam, because that's how school works and that's how the law works at school. The school law, the honor code though. I don't know what to call it. And she was like, no, you still need to take it. And I was like, what? And I got so sad. And I called my dad and he agreed with her. He was like, you should really take it. Okay, this is a video to thank my father, not to subtweet him. Never mind, I love my dad. He didn't make me take any tests. He's great. I had to take that exam, so I was traumatized and now I freaking hate geometry. Why do I need to know angles? Why do I need to know what a quadrilateral looks like? I don't care, school. Why do you do this to me? Woo! Look at me. I'm so good at this. I'm actually highly very proud of that. Let's start cutting. How do you cut the inside of... I have The Greatest Showman soundtrack stuck in my head ever since the movie came out. Kids, if you're gonna do this at home for your daddies, I recommend you have an adult help you in this specific step because we're using very sharp tools and you can cut yourself and that's not good. You really don't want to cut yourself. These are gonna look so cool. It is literally taking me over an hour to film this video and I'm not even close to done. DIYs are hard. Mad respect to like DIY channels. You go, girl. I'm bored. I am so proud of this. How am I gonna glue these together? I have some Elmer's glue, pegamento escolar, which means school glue in Spanish. You unculturated swines. These look incredible. Actually, I'm gonna use tape. I feel like that's so much easier to use. There's always like elevator music constantly playing inside my head. Okay. I feel at my best. Oh my god, I'm so proud of myself. I can't believe I made these. What?
Look at these. These are so cool.
I don't think we can top that. I'm just gonna put these here. Finally, I think I should do a mustache thing. And I saw a little stamp that you can make out of an eraser. It's just a stamp that you use to stamp a mustache on things. I really hope it didn't seem that hard, and I think I can do it if I can draw a goddamn mustache. Okay, my mustache, it's a he. He's a little uneven, not gonna lie, but still gonna do it. And apparently you just take an X-Acto knife and you just cut through it. Oh shit, that actually kind of worked. Wait, why is this working so well? I'm ruining my eraser, but it's worth it for my daddy. Okay, mustache here. I'm gonna name him. Arnold here is not looking the best. He's had better days, you know? But I think we should just give him a chance to shine. Like the star he truly is. Ugh, I made a mess. Apparently you just color in with some Sharpie or some marker or whatever it is you want to use. I'm going to use some black marker that smells like wine. I'm an adult. I know what wine smells like. And you just... It's not working. I don't think I should use a permanent marker. Or maybe just a pen. If you have some ink, I guess that would be helpful, but I don't. Okay. I guess if you painted it well, that would work. Okay, I got a board marker, which I really hope works better. I don't know what to... Okay, well, here are my stamps. I don't know how to make it a marker that would actually work, like what to use. But I guess if you have something, stamp ink or something, I guess that would work better than what I'm using. Okay. That is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed me making some daddy DIYs for my daddy because it's Daddy's Day soon. And yeah, subscribe because my daddy is awesome. Like this video for my daddy and for my daddy DIYs, and make sure you make some daddy DIYs for Daddy Day because we love our daddies, don't we? Jokes aside, I love my dad. So happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Yay! Go give your dad a big hug and kiss them and tell them you love them. That's what I'm gonna do with my daddy. Goodbye.